1754 should be next. Good. This is going to be June 11th, 2024. Yep. All right. Good morning. Good morning. We're going to be trading today. This is June 11th, Tuesday morning session. We're going to be stopping by 9:59, or if you lose 20 apples, we're risking 20 apples today to make 80. We're going to be trading here. All right, let's begin. So start time 8:01. Well, closer to 8:02, so it's 8:02. Whatever. Let's begin. I'm gonna jump to my higher time frame chart because I want to start over. I don't want lines right now. I don't want any lines actually. I just want to start completely fresh, and I have the freedom to do that. No lines, please. Thank you. All right, let's look at this thing. So, monthly chart's bullish. Okay, broke the high. I understand that. The monthly low is right here, which is actually a very, very, very significant bar there. Weekly chart, okay, it pivoted from there. Okay, there's probably demand at that monthly low if it does come downwards. The weekly chart, the high can be broken. All right, in my opinion, the high can be broken. It has not broken yet. It's tucking in between it right now, but it's just a little bit scared to break. I totally think it can break. In fact, if it wants to go down towards this monthly open way down here in this line, then I think it would pop its head out of the previous week's high, then go down. Otherwise, if it wants to go up, I do think it could grab orders to the downside first, but actually it could just go up now. Either way, it's bullish. The daily picture would show a breakout to the upside, in which case I would not be shorting up here. I'm going to paint this green because I think that would I think that will go. I think that will go. Yeah, if it goes green. All that matters is this morning session. Now tell me the daily high and low, how big of a range is this? So, let's see then. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. We done at this time. Boom. So the daily high and low is so small, man. Whoa. From here to here, that's what it looks like to me. 85. Okay, so that means it is in normal range. That means one side of these will be broken, but only a 25% chance that it will break the other side. There's potential, though. There's potential to break the other side. There is a 30% chance that it will break both the red line and the other red line, but a 70% chance that it will only break one of them, which is interesting because my whole idea would be to long this thing. So if it does pop the daily low, which is that red line, which is nearby, after 8:30 hits, 8:30 needs to hit first. So pre-market, it can create a low, fine, but it doesn't matter. That's the low then. 8:30 is when the low stops. So if it breaks the low after 8:30, after the open, there's only a 30% chance that the high will break, which would be my bet. And that's because I am bullish. I'm bullish on it. I am. So we'll see. I don't know. I'd rather be bullish on it, but I don't actually know yet. I'm not sure. Okay, we're in a protecting extreme here. I want to take this. It's already been touched now, no? Yeah, it's been touched already. So I'm not certain if you want to do that. Anyways, let's go to the 60-minute. Now, that's the higher time frame. I don't need anything else Actually, I'm going to grab that and just bring it here because that makes more sense. Now my higher time frame lines are on there, and now I can get mixed up. Now I can get really into it with my smaller time frame. There you go. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, let's go to the 240 minute. Go down the line here. We are in that range. So we're totally basing right now. Last couple days, last week basically. I don't know how many days that is, but it's been a while. Just back and forth, up and down, trading inside of range. I mean, what more do you expect? Just range bound. Range bound. I'm telling you, the 5 minute actual zone looks not bad to take, I must say. This low doesn't look bad to take, man. I don't know why I wouldn't. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will. I'll go ahead and do that. This is the low. I'll go for a 1-to-1. Yeah, 1-to-1. MNQ long. This is a protecting extreme. This is a zone. We never take protecting extreme, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, 5 contracts at 41. 5 contracts at 41. I'm down with that. Yep, and I always give it a couple ticks. That's why I don't fill so many times. I always just am so stingy with my entry. It's what I do. 29.25. It's what I have been doing. I'm always willing to change. Yeah, our low is on that low. Actually, if you really wanted to, you could bring it to this low. Yes, I will bring it to that low. Oh, wow. It's bouncing near my entry. Not quite there yet. We can go 6 contracts now. Yep. And that'd be 4.3 apples. Oh, it's already bouncing to 0.75 to 1. Do you really want to get in at that price then? Yeah, it looks fine to me. Oh, anti-breakout totally worked. I think I missed this thing, man. I think I missed it for the pre-market trade. That's fine. I'm just going to delete it. I'm deleting it. No harm, no foul. All right, so I would like to, what is going on today? We don't know. I mean, it looks like, the weekly low's there, daily low is right next to it. Daily low doesn't matter. What really matters is this, this low right here, which is interesting. This is the low that's really holding this thing up. Huh. Wow, look at that breakout. Oh, I missed it. What a great trade that would have been. Well done. I say that, but I would have gotten out at 1-to-1. That's the problem. That's a problem for sure. Yeah. Comeback bar prevention is perfect right now. I totally think this is going to be held right now. If not, I'd be in short. Yeah, look at it hold. Doesn't want to fold over, does it? If it folds that quick, I'm gonna be short. It might fold over. Take a picture. Um, 14.5. Still, I would ask for a 0.5 to 1 because I don't know. No, look at it, reject. Absolutely rejected. Never mind. Never mind. Nice play there. Okay. So, all that matters is just what's going to happen on that daily chart. Is it going to fold green? That would be awesome. That would be super cool, man. Super duper cool. That's what I think. And now it breaks to the upside here. That is just not a trade I would usually take if I go short. So probably not the move, dude. Prob's not. Yeah. That's unfortunate. It's probably going to wait a little bit until 8:30. So what do you think's going to happen today? Well, I think it has potential to go up and break the daily high. I do. I think there's potential. I think there's potential there to do that. It should be up here. I think there is, man. That's what I think is going to happen. There's a bit of demand. Nothing substantial in my opinion. I see that this zone is trying to be a zone here, but I don't necessarily think that that's a good spot. I don't think so. They're actually all really poor zones. So I don't think I'm gonna be going short any there. I mean, there's a potential. There's potential at this area. Okay. There's potential here to here. And on no other time frame does it really matter that much. Maybe the 60-minute. Sure. That's what it looks like. Really a poor looking holding zone. I don't even know what time frame it would be. No. It would have to be the 60-minute chart. Did this happen overnight? When did this happen? Yeah, London. Okay. That's probably why. That's generally where it pushed from, and that's protecting the daily high from breaking. So that's, in general, that's a decent area. I would take it single size. I don't know how far. 1-to-1. I don't know. You keep going for 1-to-1s, nothing's gonna change, man. That's all I gotta say. Nothing will change, my friend. Keep doing the same thing. You'll keep getting what you've always gotten. Do what you've always done, you get what you've always gotten. Yeah, I know. Change it up. Yeah, I know. Okay, fine. I suppose I'll go for a 3-1. I can't believe that, but yeah. 3-1's so far away, dude. I don't like that. I don't like that, man. Yeah, man. That's what's going on. That's what's crack-a-lacking right now. I think I'm just going to give it a little time here. I think I'm going to give it just a wee bit of time. Yep. Just let the 60-minute go up if it wants to. I think it's got plenty of time, though, till 8. Yeah, till 8:30. I'm going to give it a little break. Be right back. So 8 minutes till open. We're gonna wait for a rally up to here, up to this zone up here. If it does that, it'll be looking really bullish, and that we would be a protection of breaking the high, which is a comeback bar prevention. Also break up our prevention because this is a breakout formation if it turns green today. However, if it wants to choose downwards, I don't know. I suppose that this zone would probably work. I'm not going to take it outright. I'm just going to wait on it. That's the weekly low, no? Yes, it is the weekly low. Actually, that is not really wanting to hold. I'm not really wanting to hold that. Yeah, I'll let that thing pass. So I'll let this one pass over here. Pass. So, maybe this low would matter. I would let the weekly low break. Yep. I would, and there's potential to buy this bottom underneath it. Let's take a look at it. Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, this is just compounding buys to eventually blow them out of the water. That's what it looks like to me. Just compounding, like, buy after buy. It's been used after used, like, and if it comes back, I just don't have much confidence in these bottoms. No. Yeah, it's already been used, man. I'd pass on this too. Wow. So that means we're looking for a fallout downwards. In that sense, it likely, I don't think it could happen today, but I don't know. It's got all week to do it. It's possible. I don't know. I'm just gonna pay attention to the smaller time frames. I think it'll speak to me eventually. It'll be like, all right, this is what I want to do eventually. All right. Alrighty. 5 minutes till open. Yeah, we're gonna do our best. Do our best, Matt. Do our best. Do our best. I don't know what music to listen to. All my music is stale. All this music is stale, Holmes. Stale. Yes, sir. Stale. Yep. I know. Ooh. La 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 la. 3 minutes to open. Na, 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 na. Dun, 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 dun. I'm ready to go long. I'm waiting for to go long, actually, because I think that 60-minute is going to break to the upside. I think this is going to retrace. Yes, sir. So, yeah, man. So I'm going to be looking for buying. Be looking for breakouts to the upside, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, this is the most risky time it seems like to buy. I don't know. Because like 8:28 is just a moment before the open. It's just crazy. And it's an open because market makers are now assigned to their tasks. They must be there. Otherwise they lose benefits. So that's why it opens like that. At least in the stock market, I'm not sure about futures. All right, so look at the 60-minute. I think it'll turn green. I think it'll roar. So I think it'll roar. So you can either buy the 60-minute breakout or get in on smaller time frames for an even higher risk reward. So is there any way to get in? Yeah, there's plenty of ways to get in. Just wait for the open. If you miss it, you miss it. That's fine. I'm not going to take it outright. It's just not what I'm going to do. Yeah, I do think it's going to roar. We'll see. All right, 8:30 breaks the upside, breaks the high. Let's see it roar if it wants to. It hasn't broken the high yet. The high. So that is, these are the red lines. These are the red lines. There is a 99% chance that one of these red lines will break. We just have to guess which one it will be. I think there's potential. This little pivot above right here has potential. I do. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yep. Let's see it break this previous bar's high. It is breakout bar prevention right now. Hasn't broken it. Doesn't want to. Doesn't have enough guts. Go ahead. Break it. I think it'll break and come down. Whoa, breakout bar prevention's happening right now. That's actually a sign of a breakout, not an anti-breakout. Wow, it has gotten rejected. I can't believe it. Really? No way, Jose. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. I don't think so. 3 contracts at 40.5. 3 contracts at 40.5. Yeah, it's risky. But there's also a chance that it can rip lower. Higher, sorry. 32 flat. is my stop. This is a really small zone. That's why I've said it's risky. I'm only risking 2 apples if it gets there. Oh, never mind. It's gone. It's got to break that high now. Look at the 60-minute chart. It is just waiting to go. Let it go. Let it go. There it goes. Okay. I'm going to cancel mine then. That's a goner. So here's the anti-breakout. What is it going to do? Did it break the high yet? 68. 68. No, it still has. It's still paused at the high. I can't believe it. My goodness. It still cannot do it. This is breakout bar prevention. Do you want to go along on it? Technically, I should. Shouldn't I? Technically, I should, man. Because breakout bar prevention, something like that. This is precisely when you go long, isn't it? Yes, it is. I can't believe it, but that is what I have to do. Just for a 1-to-1, if that. 3 contracts. 3 contracts. I'm in long. If I get stopped, I get stopped. That's fine. 26.5. Yeah, 26. Here's what it looks like. I'm in long for a 60-minute breakout. Going for 0.75 to 1. I could be faked. Yeah, I could be faked. And that's just the risk I have to take. That's just the risk I'm taking, man. Where's my target? It's ripping. Where's my target? Label targets, please. 0.75 to 1. Well, label it. Where's 0.75 to 1, bro? 88.25. Repeat 88.25. Come on. 88.25. 131 reward. Where's my risk? 5.2 apples. I know, bro. I'm going. 42.5 is my stop. 42.5. There you go. 143 risk. 5.7 apples to make 5.2. That's fine with me. Remember, premature breakout. Premature breakout. Yes. Yes, it broke. Yes, sir. This was a breakout. Yeah. We entered at 834, I believe. 1754 zone number. Let the thing roar if it wants to. I'm actually willing to go short as it comes up here. I know. I know. It's crazy, bruh. I'm actually willing to go short on this little zone up here. Gosh darn it. Is it turning right before entry? Right before my exit point. Whatever. It does that all the time. I shouldn't be surprised. I would go short here, even though that's like against kind of my motives, because I'm long. Oh, and now I'm short. I usually get screwed on that, but I looked at this earlier. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with protection of the daily high being protected. Look at it come down now. Oh my goodness, man. Wow. It is being protected right now. Daily does not want to break the high yet. Not yet. Not yet, at least. Because it got all the way up there, and now it's turning down. So, very risky. Would I still want to be short up there? I don't know. It's not the highest quality zone, honestly. I'll tell you what. I'll get out of my long if it gets up there. 91. 91. 91. I'm raising target to 91. I don't know where that is. No. I'm there anyways, bro. Don't you want to hold on? I'm going to erase my target if it keeps on going up. Are you sure? I mean, bruh. How many times? How many times? Oh, shit. I just erased that. How many times does it go up and you're like, oh, I shouldn't have gotten out? How many times? Can you tell me how many times? Many times. I can tell you that. Many, 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 many times. So I think it's going to break the daily high. So let's go this way. 1.75. 1.75 is a target here at the daily high, which is 113.75. 113.75. Remember that we may not get out of this thing. We may lose this thing because we're asking much more of it now. Much more of it. 284.5. 11.4 apples here. All right. Change target from 0.75R to 1.75R because could break daily high. $5.2 apples. Yeah, I mean, how many times, bruh? That's all you gotta say. To me, that's all you gotta say. How many times? Well, fuck it. I'm just having a further target. 1.5, yeah. No. 1.75 is the target. 11 apples. So we're risking right now 5.7 apples to make 11.4. There is no pivot in the zone for breakout. None. I know. It sucks. That's life, though. It's totally gone 0.75 to 1. Look at it. Totally gone 0.75 to 1 here. 25% pivot in the zone. Breakout bar prevention did work. Remember that. Did happen. Absolutely. So that's a very strong note to the trade. I'm going to say breakout bar prevention happened. I don't know. Oh, wow. Look at that retracement now. Daily just does not want to fold higher, huh? You don't want to fold higher, huh? Interesting. Let's see here. It was a 60-minute 2-bar bubbling base. End of trend. The swing down of 1 against the positive swing up of 1. That's what it looks like to me. And missed the positive swing up of 3. Yes, sir. Still got 6 apples worth of risk on it. Well, 5.7, whatever. It definitely went 0.75 to 1, unfortunately. But I wouldn't have gotten out anyways because the high, it was a few ticks away. My target was right there. If you can see that, it's about a hair, a literal hair away from my target. So, screw it. I raised my target now. If it goes up again, I'm holding on. Looks like it won't, to be honest with you. What a retracement here, isn't it? What a retracement. Wow. Yeah, if there's any way I can buy a breakout to the upside, yeah, I'm down. This is not quite the strong trend here, but it can start one. I think there's potential to break the weekly high, to be honest with you. This entire day, I think there's potential to break the weekly high. In that case, why would I get out? Right? There's potential. It's probably going to bounce from this low. Ooh. Let's wait for the 5-minute. I'm really whatever. I don't know which way it wants to go. Remember the higher time frames. Remember that it will break one of these red lines, the high or the low. I don't know. It will. So, and if it breaks the high, bro, there's potential to break the weekly high. We're next door. We are next door to it. And it tried yesterday. It tried in the overnight session. I don't see any reason why it can't. All it needs is some kahunas. Just one kahuna. I mean, you just got one ball on the market, and it's going to break the weekly high. Just one. He just needs one little bit of testosterone boost. And the weekly high is squashed. So, oh, wow. Here we go. So, any way to get in? Not at the moment. I know. I'm still long, but of course, yeah, I want to go in long more. And right now, I don't know how to get in. There's nothing that I can do to get in at this point. Except going for the 1 minute chart, but I don't go to the 1 minute chart because it's too much for me, man. She's too hard to handle, bruh. She's way too hard to handle. All right, demand open here on the 15 minute. Nope, 5 minute. 30 minute, where you at? Nothing. All right, so it could range play if it wants to. And that's screw that. Come on, bud. Really going to range play? I don't want that to happen, but it's potential. Look it to the left. That's range. It's potential, but look at the more to the left. That's trend. That's money. Trend is money. Range can be money if you take to small targets. All right, the 5 minute looks like the only way to get in. So the 5 minute breakout would be potential. Potential. We're going to have to wait another minute and a half until this thing goes here, until it prints. This was an excellent buy down here if you wanted to. I know, I saw that. I was a little late and like, no, I can't do it. It was a perfect spot for it, though. Because you could hold on to this. You could hold on to this little zone here the entire day. Just like yesterday if I... Yeah, but otherwise it might not. It can just lap down. That's what I'm going to try to do. Just hold on to these positions, dude. Just carry. Hold on to the ball, man. Interesting that this zone works on the 15 minute. I didn't think it had it in it, but it worked, bro. It worked really well and still continuing to work. Look at that go down. All right, this point, I cannot be oblivious to the shorts. I cannot be oblivious to the shorts. There's potential here to be short for the daily low to break. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. I know I'm biased to the upside. I think the daily high can break. I'm obviously long. But I cannot be stubborn to the facts that there's definitely potential to break this daily low. Yeah, I might get stopped out soon here. It turned a lot. Yeah, it turned tremendously. I'd be in at 57. Ooh, there it goes. Nope, I'm not in. I'd be out at this price, though. 49.75. Repeat 49.75. Moving my stop. 99.50 is my stop. 4 apples piz. 4 apples piz. Piz 4 apples. Hey, mark down, please. Mark down where you want to be out. Right, this little spot there. I think if it turns lower, I'm like, I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here. There's potential that it just drops. If it doesn't bounce now, I'm not going to be in. And the 5 minute bar printed red. Very negative, too. Wow, look at it rip, though. Let's see it. It doesn't look like I'm going to be in here. $17.54, yeah. $17.54, there it is. It's holding on, technically. 75% pivot in the zone, then. I'm out. Yeah, I know. Well, how much did I lose? I lost 4 apples. That's right. We gave it a good whirl to go to the upside. And it got rejected, dude. There it goes. Boom, boom, boom. There it goes. Daily low break. Boom. It chose it. Just like that, it chose it. Wow. So now we've got a 30% chance of the daily high breaking. Remember that. Remember that one. We got a 30% chance of that highest red bar breaking here. So now it broke the daily low. Let's take a look at the high time frame. Look at it, still in demand open. It's still in demand open. Look at the weekly. Weekly could break that weekly low. It's not unheard of. It's right next door, so there's potential there. There's potential. I think it'll probably want to hold on to it before the weekly low is broke, which is this low down here, which is this low. But I guess what I labeled it, pass, means no trade. I'm like, come on. Because I know me. I know when I see a trade, I take it. But I do think that this area, if there's going to be an area of demand, that's the area of demand. So I will be on the smaller time frame. Nothing against smaller time frame buys. The high is 14.5. We're in long. We're in long, boys. For this 3-minute comeback bar. Look at that retracement, man. Wow, is it a large 3-minute bar, dude? So big. I'm glad I only have 3 micros on it. Tell you what, it's coming from that zone. I'm like, all right, it's coming from this zone. Weekly low. Take a look at the weekly, please. That's the 240. Weekly, please. Weekly. There you go. Weekly. The daily low broke, but the weekly did not. Protecting that weekly low. I'm holding on to it. I don't exactly know. I have small risk on it. I got to plant stops. I know. I got to plant stops quick. I'm trying. 1755 zone number. Is that right? Roger that. When did we play Century? 849. Please place your stop before it goes anywhere, bro. Come on. All right. It goes 1-to-1. Nice. Low is 03. I repeat, 03. $64 risk. 2.6 apples risk. MNQ long. Breakout. It's gone 1-to-1 with a 25% pivot in the zone. Hey, where's the width? Width, please, width. 13. Where's the reward? We don't have one yet because we'd trail stop and we just let it go up essentially if it wants to go up, but whatever. 3-minute comeback bar, end of trend, the swing down of 2. Swing down of 2 against, yeah, just swing down of 2. In a higher time frame zone. 15-minute holding zone. There you go. We are long. We're long for the long haul, my friends. The long haul. Oh, why didn't I buy there? Oh, I'm glad I didn't buy there. Okay, thanks. Okay, I won't buy there. Just kidding. I'll buy there at the high, 29.5. 29.5, I'm in. 29.5, I'm in more. Let's see it. Let's see it, boys. We are going alongside. We're basically saying that this is the high. Or, sorry, this is the low. I think it's an excellent bottom, dude. Just hold on to it. I think there's potential, whatever. Do you want to get out early? We'll see. I'm going to read and react. We're in. There's a 3-minute breakout now. 2 breakouts that we've been in long. This is 1755-1. Remember, -1 means it's an add-on position. Repeat, this is an add-on position. You need to place your stop yet, eh? I know, eh? I'm trying to place my stop, eh? I'm just trying to take the pictures first, eh? Just let me take the pictures, man, but then I'd place your stop, yeah. I'll get to you, don't worry. 3-minute low. It's going to be... What? No. Why is the low is 3? No, 17.5. Repeat, 17.5 is your second stop here. 17.5. How much am I risking? I'll tell you, dude. I'll tell you how much we're risking. Hold on. I'm also doing 33A3 on this. That means I'm trailing my stop all the way up. No targets. I don't know. This could backfire. That's fine. It happens all the time. We're risking 2.8 apples on this. 2.8. I repeat, 2.8. Yes. Oh boy, it's about to get stopped here. 1756 zone number. This was a 3-minute 2-bar bubbling. Base. Technical free space of 1. End of trend. Alpha swing. Sorry, the swing is down of 2. That's it. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped here. I got stopped out. Went for a 0.5 to 1. 25% pivot in the zone. I'm stopped. Loss of 2.8 apples there. Darn. Take a picture. $1755.1. 1755-1. Excuse me. You can say 0.1, but I'm just saying dash. I'm out. I'm out of the bottom too. Fuck. Gosh darn. That's a negative 2.6 apples there. I'm down 10.2 on the day. Man, I feel like I should be down more. I was just ganged up on this long side and I got obliterated. And I'm only down not that much. This is fantastic. That's what happens when you risk small. Holy shit. That's awesome, dude. Nice, bro. Sweet. It's like, man, that's pretty cool. It's like on a diet, and then it's like, oh, it's a cheat day, but you really didn't go that hard on the cheat day. It's like, wow, we're actually pretty good, bro. We're just fine. That's exactly what it feels like. Where are we at? It went 1.5. 1.5 and then stopped. Yeah. No targets, nothing on that. So let's just delete that. You're already done. Yep. Onwards. So it's heading for that weekly low, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it? It totally looks like the weekly low is trying to be popped here. It's about to touch it. Like I said, I'm not necessarily going to be gung-ho on this bottom. But if it does want to bounce, I'm going to be trying to be in long. Yeah, I would be long. Anything we can do, I'd be in long. This is a holding split for the downside, but I will be looking for it to break. Wow. This has got to print soon. 369258147. It's got to print in 10 seconds. Let's see it. I'm gonna see. I don't really care. I need some more information from the 3-minute. There's the print. That means all of this is supply. All of it. All of it. That's just all supply, dude. That's all supply, bro. If it goes any further, I'm going to be in short. Not for very long, but just that's what it looks like to me. There it looks. There it goes. It's gone 0.25 to 1. I'm in short. I'm in short. My stop needs to be at this high. 35.75. Repeat 35.75. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. 125 bucks lost. That's what it looks like. Gosh. So quick. Damn it. I was trying to be long anyways. I was thinking no way it would do that, but all right. That's zone number 1756. Closed right away. You can say the 3 minute as well. The 3 minute is why I did it. That distal line. What a rip. Damn. There's no other candle. It's just green. Holy smokes, man. All right, then. All right, then. Look at that move. Wow. Okay, bud. Okay. I guess you don't want to go short. Okay. I didn't know that. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got like a 50% off discount on that. No, more like none. Yeah. 125 bucks. I mean, I don't even know what I was at. Maybe 145 bucks, sure. 5.8 apples worth of risk there. Negative 5.8. We were going to make at least 10. At least 10. That was a 5 minute holding split. Long wick. Stingy. Wide. Objective free space of 2. Recency 1, 2. Magnitude is 1, 2. X score is 1.25. That's it. We're down 16.2 apples. 4 losers in a row. Holy smokes, bro. We need a fucking win. Excuse my language. We need a damn win. Where's the wins, boys? Come on. We need a win. All right? We need a W. A W. We need something on our bankroll here. Look at it bounce from the zone that I freaking passed on. Said, no, it's not going to do it. Shit. It freaking did it. Look at it. There's potential to break the daily high, believe it or not. Way up there. There is potential, dude. I would be furious. Furious, I tell ya. All right. What happens now? Well, the swing is up of 1 against a -2. What happens then? You take in-trend breakout. That means you take this breakout, and I fucking missed it. Gosh darn it. Oh. Wow. Boys. Get your head in the game. Get your head in the game. Do 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 do. No 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 no. And it touches my zone, runs away from me. Nice. All right, come on, boys. Let's get to it. What are we doing, boys? Come on, get to it. It's formed a good distal line there. It's formed a real good distal line. Where's the 30-minute? Great. Great move. Great movement. Great wick. This is excellent, actually. Let it come up. Totally, dude. Let it come up. Let it come up to this open. Where's that at? Yes, let it come up to the open. Do you want to take this holding split? Yep, I do. I'll take this holding split. 35, 35. 35, 25. My stop needs to be at this low. 25, 75. Repeat 25, 75. They're going to rally anyways. Yeah, it's breaking out more. Holy moly. I'm being at 63.5. I'm being at 63.5. Anti-breakout's working. Wow. Okay. Let it be. If it comes down, we're catching it. We're catching it anyways. Yeah, we're catching this for sure if it comes down. Uh, 25% off. I'd go for a 2-to-1. You could go for more. Yes, you're right. You're right, dude. You're right. I know. But we need a W. Do you know what a W means? We need a W. That's what we need. Look at it rally up anyways. Okay, then. 63.5 is where I'd be in. My stop should be at this high. 87.75. Repeat 87.75. We're in. 87.75 should be my stop. 485 risk. Repeat 485 risk. 19.4. I'm going for a 0.5. 0.5. $51.5. Repeat 51.5. Which is $240. Risking 19 to make 9.6. Risky business, bro. Risky business. We're in short, yeah. This is MNQ short. Zone. What's the width on this thing? Width on the thing is 24.5. None, yeah. X score of 3. Arrival? Oh, we have 1 or 2. Yep. I love the Arrival. Arrival's great. It's gone 0.25 to 1 here. 0% pivot in zone. We're asking for 0.5 to 1. I think that's absolutely reasonable. Because we need a freaking win somewhere. 35.6 is my max loss. I got 35.6. Remember, that is breaking the rules. I understand that. I know, bro. I know. Oh, 5 minute is definitely a chart to look at. Target hit. Nicely done. You can look at the 60 minute. Because I think the 30 minute is really what chart we were looking at. Needed some type of retracement. Where are you, you know? And we only grabbed just a little chunk of the retracement. Because we're actually naturally bullish on this thing. But who knows? We got to keep our options open. Yeah. So with that was 9.6 apples. We are down 6.9 on the session. Yep. Gonna try to get there. Look at it come down too, man. Of course. If you get out at a 0.5 to 1, there's a high chance that you're probably got out early. It's all right. We needed a dub. This was our last trade of the day if we lost, so it's like we need a freaking win to buy us a couple more trades here to get momentum swinging. I'm still net long here. I would still be long here. I would still be long at the holding split. Totally fine with me. 25% off too. I'm in there. I'd be in that. For sure. For sure, mate. Go 25%. I would go, 33A3. I would hold on to that thing for the daily high, perhaps the weekly high to break. I know it's nuts, but that's shit fucking happens. Gotta take it for it. In that case, we'd only risk one apple on it? I think that's rather weak. That's really weak, bro. That's really weak. One apple, come on. I'll risk 3 apples on it. That's fine. I'm fine with that. That's better. 4 contract down here. But we're not there yet. So let's wait on it. Let's see what's going on. If it goes up again, let's take a look at the 60-minute chart. I'm going to delete this. Not really. We've got a whole 50 minutes until this 60-minute bar prints. It's so young, dude. It's so young. Wow. It's already done so much in his life, and he's so young, you know? He's done so much. Created a huge distal line. It's attacking the Bears camp right here. Bears camp is right here. This is a very bullish open. This is the birth of the 60-minute bar right here, and I really like that, man. This is the zone right here. That's the zone. We'll see if it ever comes back there. There's potential where it does not. There's potential, yeah. Would you go short again? I don't know, dude. I don't know. I think it's possible to go short again. But I think I'm just going to let it be, man, because we already took it. You know? We already did that. Look at it go. Look at it rip. Yeah, man. Wow. Yeah, it's time. Time for a small break. Time for a small break, and I'll be back. We'll see what happens. I have no trades on, no nothing like that. We're down 6.9 apples at the session. So we're just going to wait. Just going to wait. Oh, if it comes down to this holding split, yeah, I'd want to be long. So I'm just going to set my entry there if it does happen. 35s. 35.25 I'd be in long. 35.25. How many contracts? 4. 35.25. Just in case it does that when I'm break. The low would be 25.75. It's all about emotional risk management. You know how pissed I would be if I missed that? Fucking pissed. So that's why we would just place it. It's no problem. And then the target, pretty much no target. Delete the target. All right. I'll be back. Just out to the road, period. Today is... my gosh. It went. Wow, look at it go. All right, so there might not be a chance for it to come down here. Cold shoulder, closing time. Smile like that when you're drinking. I didn't, but I do. Remember all the times that I've lied with you. Time I saw you go. House on a hill with the road back around it. Man, I feel like I'm a little late to that. Look at it go, bro. It can keep rising, I'm telling you. What are you going to do? You got to make your decision, and you did. You made your decision not to take it. That's what you just did. So be it. I'm not going to be pressured into a trade by peer pressure. Yeah, that's going to break the high. Wow. Unreal. So bullish, dude. There is still potential to short here. Breaking dawn. That is the zone if it wants to retrace. So and then pull back around it. All right, we're gonna have to go in there. So the credits roll done. Credits roll. I don't know where my targets would be, but which would be 3 contracts. Three contracts at 60.75. 3 contracts at 60.75. Then my work is done. I hope it prints bullish like that. Wow. Never mind. Wow. It still doesn't want to break the high. Man, how many times does it have to try? Look at the same candles over and over again. Green, come back. Green, come back. Green, come back. Green, come back. How many times? How many times until it just has a solid bar upwards? That zone doesn't even look that good up there. Take a look at the 60. That's the zone, man. That is the zone that is protecting that daily high from being broken. There's a 30% chance the daily high is going to break. Come on. You got to take it. You got to take it. You got to take it to protect that daily high. Come on. Right? Only 16 points. Breaks the high. Comes down. Of course. So bullish, dude. Nothing we can do. It's not pulling back for us. So, not much we can do about it. Well, I'm not needing. Chances yours to take. A heart is yours to break. Tell me what to do. Put me in my place. Down, 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 down. All right, that one broke. Hold up. I'm gonna take this holding split here. 79.5. I'm in one. Stop loss would be here. 68.5. And my target would be a 0.5 to 1. These are high and tight, small bounces. Small bounces, gents. Small bounces. 13.75 here. I'm going for a 0.5 to 1, yeah. This is zone. Take a picture. We're in. Wait. We're not in yet. It's hit proximal line, though. Oh, my gosh. Come on, bud. You can't hit entry, can you? Ah, and it hits target. I can't take it now, man. Fuck you. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. In that dawn ran down and again. Way back when. Remember us. Don't know how that ends. To me, to say things that I don't mean. Leave it up to you. I love you. No worries. That's totally gonna work, man. Let it go. Let it run. I think it's gonna work. Let it soar. Down. That's about the time you call. Then all over again. Let's act way back when. Couldn't get enough, we both know how that ends. Leave it up to me to say things that I don't mean. And I love you. 103.25. I am short. My risk is $240. 9.6 apples risk. Going for a 1-to-1, yeah. If not more. If not more, yes. MNQ short. This is an anti-breakout taken at 9:33 a.m. 1758 zone number. I don't know actually what the target is. I know 1-to-1, but I know it's top of range like this. Leave it up to me to say things that I don't mean, and I leave it up to you to turn I love you. Know how this ends, and leave it up to me. Make things that I don't mean. It up to you to turn I love you. And boy, where you been? Fast as if you can. All over again. Down, 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 down. Sometimes goodbye's just too tough. Down, down. Sometimes just goodbye's just too tough. Leave it up to me to say things that I don't mean. I leave it up to you to turn I love you. Dun, 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 remember when? I'm just going for a 1.5 to 1. You could actually hold on to it more. I'm going to do that. Oh, shoot. Change target. Hold on. Change target from 1.5R to 2R. Because I want to work. Because perhaps it can go further. Now to think of it. Now to think of it. Remember when? Oh boy, it's come all the way back. 2 to 1 would be at 70. 70.25, really. Yeah. You can say 70.25. It's fine. I don't care. 420 bucks. That's risky. 16.8 apples reward then. If it gets there. I mean, come on. We'll see, bud. We'll see, bud. We'll see, buds. Budsky. Berhansky. It's definitely gone 1 to 1. With a 0% pivot in the zone. Do you want to move stop? No. No. Because it's also a 3-minute holding zone. And more like a 60-minute holding zone. Look at that. Protecting the daily high from being broken. But that's generally why I'm taking this. But we don't know if it's going to happen or not. We'll see. We'll see. Comeback bar prevention on the daily. Remember that. Got to mark that. But it's been here before, so it's risky. It's risky, no doubt. It's risky. And I honestly, 2 to 1's not that bad if it can drop. Yep. Any other traits here? So a 3-minute holding zone. Also, a daily comeback bar prevention. There you go. And we're risking right now 10 apples to make 16. Right. At a certain point, you're going to have to move stop to pivot in the zone. I understand that. We'll see. Do you want to get in more? There's potential to get in more here. Oh my gosh, those are risky. Just because the trend is so inflated, dude. Those are the worst. When you break the low, it just rallies up again. But I'd probably get in short again at 79 flat. I'm in short again. For the 5-minute break, you can see it here on the chart. 5-minute break. Not necessarily going to work. I'm just That's the zone that I took. And it looks like the anti-breakout's already coming back. Wow. I floated that. Darn. High is 92.5. I'm out at 92.5. Gosh darn. It didn't give a F about me. So quick. It's still trying, but anytime that reels like that, I don't generally like that. But I added in my position. I am just going to go for a 1-to-1 on that one. 1-to-1 would be down. No, I'm going for a 0.75 then. Because I like my same targets. Same targets, bro. Same targets. 70.25 if it gets there. And it doesn't look like it's getting there, but we'll see. That's what I'm doing. And it looks like I'm getting stopped out here. Darn. Did it even pop? Can you tell me if it even broke? I tell you it broke the low. It broke the low by 1 tick. Holy smokes, bro. That's the quickest anti-breakout ever. Fuck. Yeah, 1758-1. Did you plant yet? No, I haven't planted. I don't think so. 1758-1. Yeah. Stopped. I'm stopped out of the first sorry, of the add-on position. Yeah, I know. Bro, I mean, I'm trying to add to the position, man. I got slandered. Oklahoma City. 99.75. Good window. 99.75. Where's my other stop? Yeah, I got both from there. Remember. All right. It is what it is. It is what it is at this point. I'm out again. Gosh darn it. Stopped out again. Gosh darn. 7.25 there. I'm out again. And that's it. Wow. I am out of all of them. 5-minute anti-breakout. That was already printed. That sucks, dude. If I'm an anti-breakout, I'm out too. Went really good, and then it broke. And I tried to add to that position. I kept on losing, which added to my loss. That sucks. 1758 zone number. That has to be end of session. Has to be. Yeah. Not much we can do about that. Not much. E 19. Let's join a friend, broken heart last week. All right. That's what happened. You gotta describe that trade 1758.758-1 5-minute 2-bar bubbling base. Yeah, that's what it was. Said I do to him. I felt like a king. Gosh darn. Can't believe that. Down 33 apples. Fuck off. I know. I know, bro. I know. I know. Yeah, I know. That makes sense. That does make sense. Hey, I'm a hell of a roll. My much for show. You're an average Joe. Damn good, brother. I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve. What I believe. $30 would be my stop. Mascara on a pillowcase. Headaches. Yep. To leave me so easy. Alright. What the fuck, dude? Why doesn't it ever fill me? I can't believe it. How does it ever not fill me? Bruv. I'm right there. Gosh darn it, bro. Oh my gosh. Really? I can't believe it, bro. On the nerve of this guy to leave me so easy, might be alright. Broken heart. I'll be alright. Keep at night, mama, the nerve of this guy. So easy. So hard. I'm a broken heart. Yes, who to blame? Na, 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 10 feet tall. With the wise man, I na 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 do. I ain't found nobody quite like you. No happy accident. In my heart, you pay no rent. Pay no rent. I'm out, I'm working in the money do. I'm bound, but I ain't bound nobody quite like you. In my heart, you pay no rent. In my heart, you pay no rent. All right, so here's the deal. It's heading towards this high, which is the daily high, which is right here. It looks like a breakout to the upside. That makes sense. But there's a distal line in the way, the weekly chart. The weekly high. It could pop it right away. It could. But I'm going to be there protecting the weekly high from being popped. Here we go. Here we are. We're in the zone right now. It needs to go up a little bit more for me to get in. Otherwise, I'm going to miss the trade, man. It's fine. I miss trades all the time. And I'm going for a 0.5 to 1 retracement, which is about, I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly, so I'm just going to mark it. Which is 17.5, repeat 17.5. 17.5. Oh my gosh, I hate these, bro. 3 ticks away from entry. Come on. Come on, bro. Seriously. Don't do that to me, bro. It does it to me all the time, I'm telling you. All the time. There's nothing I can do. Are you cracking jokes with the wise man? Are you serving it to doodle-doo? I ain't met nobody quite like you. 37s, 38s, 37s, sure. That's sure, fine with me. Oh, At the bar, long as John Wayne movies, them stars. Down in her wild, long live cowgirls. Down in stallions, where West was won. Banyans, the Badlands, and made it her home. Lax on them pearls, little cowgirls. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's going away from me. Bro. Down in her wagon on a wild best was won. And Badlands made it her home. Snaps on the purse. Long live cowgirls. Oh, F you. F you. Of course, yeah, of course. I don't want to miss the trade. Painkiller mustache, soft and she was. Dun 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 Strawberry wine. That'd be funny. Na na na. Oh my, it has broken the high, hasn't it? Here. We are in. We're finally in. We are in short. We're in short big time. Big short here. This is zone number 1759. 15 minute. 240 minute. That looks like this. It's kind of an in-between zone as well. Weekly high is... We're trying to protect the weekly high, essentially. Essentially, we're trying to protect the weekly high. But... Yeah, I already know. We don't, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. We don't actually... We're not 100% sure, but that's what we're doing. Daily is in anti-breakout territory. Where's target? It's that blue line. 15. How much is my risk? Yeah, that's another story. Yeah. I don't even know exactly which trade this is. This is in between. This is int. This is anti-breakout. I mean, this is daily anti-breakout. You could say it. But it's not. It's not. It's an in between. So it's an int. It's a weekly breakout bar prevention, a daily anti-breakout, 15-minute in between. We're asking for, it looks like a 0.5 to 1. Doesn't it? I don't know exactly, but it looks like a 0.5 to 1, maybe 0.75 to 1. I'm saying a 0.5 to 1. The risk on the trade is 52.5, way up there. No, 55.25. Repeat, 55.25. Market. It's marked 1095 risk. Unbelievable risk. Unbelievable risk. Unbelievable. Fucking 43 apples risk. Tell me the reward. 115. I love that spot. I love it. 115. I love it. That's the most we can ask. 1320 reward. 52.8 apples reward. Now, explain to me, where's your entry point? How did you get in? Because obviously you're going for a less than 1 to 1, but oh my gosh, did I grab the tick? Bro. How on earth did I grab tick? Oh, it might not be the tick. It might come up. But still, holy smokes. 37 is my entry point. 37 is that high, about 25% pivot in zone. 10%, you could say. 10% off. Sure. 10% off. Thank you. We got it at 10 o'clock. This is zone number 1759. It's gone, looks like 0.25 to 1 right now. With a 25% pivot in zone? Sure. Yeah, we're triple deckered in. Yeah, I mean, we're not even supposed to be in this. Because it's an int play. Target hit already. Holy smokes. Nice trade. 0.5 to 1's hit here. Take a picture. Well done. What a freaking turn of events here. The daily breakout, anti-breakout. Oh my gosh, it sliced through the daily high, yesterday's high. I'm like, no way it's going to slice through the weekly high too, bro. No freaking way. It didn't. It has gotten retraced on that weekly high. Weekly candle yet last week's candle, that high. So it's like, oh, no. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. That's basically what it's saying. And now I actually would rather be long, but I got to stop. It's 10:04. I have to stop. Bro, I have issues. I have issues where I cannot stop. You have to be able to stop. It's easier to stop after a win, so. And that's just, I'm aware of it, but we still haven't been able to defeat everything yet. But anyways, whatever. We're up 19.6 apples just because of that trade. I can tell you that. Just because of that trade. We're done at 10:05. Mark down that past session stop loss, past session timer by 5 minutes. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's about the principle. It's about principle, bro. You're not following the rules, and I know that. It's a problem because it's only me, bro. It's only me saying the rules to myself. 21.8. The close apples, 21.8 on that. What's the commission apples? 19.6. Repeat, 19.6. We're up 19.6 apples on the sesh. What is that? 19.6 times 25. $490. Yep, that makes sense. Trade count? 9 trades. What about the maximum loss you could have had? Well, I can tell you right now, the maximum loss would have been 43.8 plus 31. Holy shit. 3.8. Not good. 74.8. That is a monster loss you could have easily had. How many times does the market do something that you don't want it to do? So you could have easily had that loss even though it was not realized. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row. That's not horrible. What's my max gain? 21.8 apples. And that's where we closed at. The high is 21.8. All right, that's it. That's it. Until afternoon session. I don't know. No comment. All right. Peace and harmony.